Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 732B. And today's one is special lecture, means it is not on alkaloid or terpenoid, rather than it is a new mutated strain of coronavirus, that is new variant of coronavirus. Is it more dangerous, more effective, which emerged in UK? As we are all aware, last week it is reported that in UK there is new mutation, they call it new mutation, and new strain has emerged in United Kingdom, and it is 70% more infectious or efficient as compared to old one, that is COVID-19, and they have given the name of this new strain, that is VUI 2020-12-01, means it is a date that in 2020 in the month of December 12 this new strain has emerged. But if they are saying that this one is 70% more infectious and people are getting sick, and what they claim that the thousands of the people in London area, they got infected, and out of those infections, the 60% are with the new mutated strain. Actually, and then lot of lockdown started again, lot of flights are cancelled from UK to Germany, France, India, so many other part of the world, and again it is panic, just like sky is falling. So let us try to understand what is mutation, how it works, and why people are so much panic. So before that, I will give you the history of this virus. What history we have, where 50 million people were killed. That was it started in late 1919, it went up to 21, and that was called Spanish flu. That Spanish flu was very dangerous. 50 million people were killed and 500 million people were infected. Then the second mutation came, and that was known as Asian flu, and that I started from China. That was in 1958, and then again Hong Kong flu came with new strain, where millions were killed, and then after that we got other flu, and that flu is here mentioned, that is Hong Kong flu in 1968, and then AIDS and HIV, that was in 1980, and after 1980 we got, that is 21st century new infection, that was known as avian flu or bird flu, but because of the sickness of bird, and that was due to new strain of H1N1 combination. H1N1 is a protein, one is enzyme and other one is simple protein, and your virus is enveloped with this protein and they mutate. So with that mutation in 2009 we got the avian flu, and then it was reported in the month of April in China 2020, that is called COVID-19 disease, and it was due to coronavirus, and that particular strain they call as SARS, CO2 means severe acute respiratory syndrome, and the disease is called COVID-19. Then again last week it is reported in UK, the new mutation, new strain, new variant, and it is called as VUI 2020-12-01. So this is the latest one, and this report is that with this mutation, it is 70% more dangerous or more infectious. One is infection, other one is deadlier. Sometimes it is very infectious, means very quickly people are getting infection. Maybe within no time, thousands of people are getting. It's very fast. And it was slow, the COVID-19 infection. But which one is more deadlier? This is the big question. It's not the question of 70% more infectious. Is it 70% more deadlier also? Still it is, investigation is going on. It's not that much deadlier. Still the scientists, chemists, virologists, they are working. They are trying to understand the new strain of mutation. So first what I want to express here, the meaning of mutation. This mutation is not new today. We are all here because of mutation. And this mutation is a must for change, for animal, for human being, for any living organism, for virus. Virus, they always mutate. They change their DNA or RNA sequencing. And that mutation is possible when there is cell division. During cell division, your DNA can mutate. And in that mutation, sometimes abnormal cells are produced. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad. For example, we are saying that human beings, they were like a monkey. But the reduction of tail is because of mutation, retrogressive metamorphosis. So that mutation has brought the positive change. In the negative sense, sometimes someone is having 6 fingers. So the 6th one is, normal is 5. 6th one is because of mutation of genetic material, DNA. So mutation is very common. It will go on happening. And I am sorry to mention here, in 2018, Bill Gates, the billionaire, he came on TED. It is recorded, documented. Anybody can search on Google. And there was discussion that whether we are ready to face new mutation of virus or any living organism. It was big discussion whether the world is ready with its infrastructure, and they were boasting that we have thousands of books, thousands of publications, and lot of work is done. We are fully prepared. Then the top rank medical school, John Hopkins, in 2018, there was seminar in September, if I remember. You can Google it. And the same discussion was there in the seminar. How far we are ready to face the new mutation of the virus or microorganism. Because it's not the only virus which is mutating. Bacteria can mutate. All living organisms can mutate their cells. Human beings' cells can mutate. Animal cells can mutate. So mutation will go on. The question is how far we are ready. Now with this new mutation. What is mutation? Actually, your coronavirus, I am not going much in detail, but I am very much specific to this new mutation of coronavirus, and that is in UK. Coronavirus is made up of RNA, genetic material, enveloped with H1N1 protein, that is an enzyme and protein, and with very thin layer of fat. And mutation means it is replicating, and this virus is not living organism, coronavirus. It is in deep sleep mode. Why I say deep sleep mode? Because it is the carrier of genetic material RNA. ribose nucleic acid, and once it is coming in touch of living cell in our respiratory system, it will immediately kidnap our cell. And once our cell is kidnapped, I call it that they got the, we can say, the hardware, computer, photocopy machine to just replicate or make the photocopy of their RNA genetic material in millions and billions. And it will go on producing. And in that production, since RNA is not very stable as compared to DNA, so DNA is very stable as compared to NA because it is having double helix, and RNA is single strand, so it is unstable. So in that case, in hurry it will produce lot of millions of photocopy, that is called replication. And in that replication there is chance of mistake of genetic sequencing. And genetic sequencing, genetic code, if I am saying, it is with 5 letters, all the code is written. One is called thymine, guanine, adenine, cytosine, uracil. Uracil is there in RNA. So once they are sequencing of this code of this letter 5, if they are correctly photocopied, replicated, no problem. But if in case, for example, if it is like that adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, this is a type of sequencing of these letters. But in case if that replication, if by mistake it became like this, AC and CG, means here in place of thymine, cytosine has come by mistake. So by mistake, what happened in their sequencing of genetic material? Genetic mutation has taken place. There is a change. And this will become your sickle cell. That's why the chemistry of sickle cell is like that. That is only problem change is in their sequencing of adenine, thymine, cytosine. And it will go on multiplying generation to generation. So unless that mistake genetically is corrected, people will go on getting sickle cell disease unless this correction is made. So that is what mutation is happening. In the case of this new mutation of this virus, this genetic sequencing mistake is there, and these scientists today, they are trying to understand and find out the mistake, because that mistake, what it happened with that new strain has emerged, and that mistake they are trying to find out so that they can hit. Now the question comes whether this vaccine, which is produced by, more commonly we call it Pfizer group, will be effective or not. So since the protein molecule is spike, protein is intact, there is no any changes or denaturation of that protein, so we can expect. But for any virus which is following the stereochemistry or mutating, we cannot expect the long life or durable vaccination. But vaccination is good in the sense that it will enhance your antibodies. And the concept of vaccine is, for example, if you have like DNA. So in DNA you have the specific strain of the virus, coronavirus. It is injected. So that in that DNA, whatever is specific strain of virus is injected, that becomes is called plasmid. And that plasmid, once it is again inserted in your normal cell, that normal cell will start producing that type of protein cell, and that is called T cells. They are surveillance cells. They are ready to kill any pathogen which is coming in the form of microorganism or virus or whatever. So that is the basic of vaccine. But here in this Pfizer vaccine and others, they are either using the embryo, where the fragmentation of the virus genetic material is there, or deactivation. and that one is injected to cell, and that cell is going to recognize the incoming virus. That is called surveillance. And during cell division, why we call somebody is suffering from cancer, we will say it means his immune system is failing or failed. The reason is that in his or her body, once immune cells, T cells, killer cells we call them, WBC, they are strong enough to recognize the incoming pathogen and they will kill it, they will destroy it. And these abnormal cells are produced during cell division of our body. And there are two most important conditions. For example, UK new strain or mutation. What may be the reason? Why it started? There are two main factors of mutation. First factor is called environmental factor. Environmental factor means it can be nuclear radiation, it can be ultraviolet radiation, it can be deficiency of oxygen deficient area, overcrowded area. These factors are responsible of mutating the strain, virus, protein, living organisms, all this. The second factor is that is called DNA duplication. In that DNA duplication, genetic material, once they are duplicating means they are producing same time, just like hand and glove. That's why our forefathers, generation to generation, we are the carrier of same genetic code because of the hand and glove DNA duplication. So during DNA duplication, cell division, sometimes some mistake happens and abnormal cancer cells are produced, but those cells are immediately being neutralized by our T killer cells. So if they are not neutralized, it means in our body, naturally those antibodies, T killer cells, cytokine cells, WBC cells, they are very, very weak. So this is the basic concept of new mutation. It is not that sky is falling, and to my understanding and knowledge, if this mutation is very fast, 70% more infectious, it may come down, climb the hill very quickly, and it will become flattened. And it is the indication that maybe after some time this mutation will start becoming weaker and weaker, and we will be okay. But here the serious issue is, economically globe is bleeding. Millions of the people, they have lost their job, their economy, their bread, their employment, business is a totally cripped. And to me, I feel that it is worse than nuclear war. We have diluted our social relation, we are always locked, we cannot meet our loved one, we cannot travel, we cannot attend the emergency, we can attend the celebrations, especially during this time where this is the month of celebration, Christmas, festive period, everybody is locked. These are all very much dehumanizing and humiliating. So my understanding, we should not be very much disturbed, and it is not going to destroy a lot, but of course, since it is more infectious, it is better to follow mask, putting the mask and also keeping indoor, following the social distancing, physical distancing, avoid the crowding, and let this strain be, we can say, identified, and let scientists understand very well. Still, the scientists, chemists, virologists, they are not able to understand very well its toxicity and its deadlier impact on us. Still a lot of investigation is going on, and here I have given, is transmission more dangerous than previous one? To my understanding, dangerous means whether more people are dying with this transmission of new strain, new mutation. If they are getting more but death rate is less, So it means it is not deadlier. It is better than first one, because first one, COVID-19, was more deadlier because it was slow. And with that strain, it takes 2-3 weeks to understand that now it is full blown, and by that time your respiratory system is totally hijacked and kidnapped, and you are on ventilation and finally death. So this one, my understanding as a protein chemist, that it may be 70% more infectious, but it may not be that much deadlier like COVID-19, because this report has not yet published that out of 10,000 or 15,000 those who were infected, how many deaths are there, and that is going to determine its dangerous act, means whether it is more deadlier or more infectious. Transmission is very efficient. Whether the death is also more is a big question mark still. And what is the meaning of mutation? I have already given lot of explanation. The mutation will go on. It is going on. And it is positive for human beings, for animals. Lot of new, with the new mutation, new type of things are emerging. And that's why we are evolved. From monkey, from horses, from other, that is called evolution. I am talking in scientific term, not from religious point of view. So the mutation is sometimes good, sometimes bad. So it's not that mutation is always dangerous and always bad, because mutation is possible with virus, possible with living organisms, human beings, animals. Then, will vaccine be effective to new strain? It is big question mark, but to me, my personal view, I am not going to advertise for any company, is better to get vaccine. There are a lot of political statements are coming, lot of people on TV. I am giving my own opinion, it's my own advice. Vaccine is vaccine. Vaccine means it is going to give you more T killer cells. They can recognize, your surveillance will be more, just like Megadi. If you have one Megadi, he may not be that much strong enough to recognize. But in the place of that, if you have 3-4 extra watchmen or Megadi to watch and surveillance, so your surveillance will become more. So vaccination, definitely we should go. Not only for a specific coronavirus, it has been reported that in India, those people who are having BCG, that tuberculosis vaccination in childhood, that one is protecting. Those people who are regularly getting vaccine of pneumonia and thyroid and other vaccines, they are more protected because they are getting the infection, but it is not becoming very severe or dangerous. So vaccine, taking of vaccine is always advisable. So my advice is, anywhere if vaccine is there, Pfizer vaccine is now, they have started distributing. Some people even in America, they ask me that, Professor Khan, what is your opinion? I say, and they mention a lot of political statements here and there. I said, I'm being chemist and I have trust in scientists and chemists, virologists who are ready to manufacture this vaccine. And this vaccine we should take. That's all. And then mutation in coronavirus. I have already told you mutation in coronavirus means that RNA, how it is replicating, producing the, we can say photocopy, replication of the same RNA, but sometimes they commit mistake, and with that mistake in millions of photocopy, that new type of mutation or strain is there, and that what is happening in UK. Now I have given the history of all these mutated strain. That was Spanish flu, started in 1919. It was there up to 2021. Hong Kong flu, this Asian flu, it was in 1957. It was up to 1958. And Hong Kong flu, it was in 1968. Again, AIDS and HIV, still it is continuing. That is human immune deficiency virus. That is acquired immune deficiency syndrome is the disease. Then number 5, bird flu came. That is 2001. This one with H1N1 combination. I have already told you that H and N, these two proteins, there is possibility of 144 combinations. of stereochemistry, it can come in those combinations, H1N1, H1N2, H2N5, like that. And that avian flu, it was it started from sick bird to human beings, and then H1N1 mutated. After that mutation, we got that one animal, one human being, Wuhan city, and in April it was found that it is a COVID-19 disease by coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, and at that time in April, by that time 33,000 Chinese were killed and 80,000 were infected. By that time, more than 195 countries were in, we can say, trouble getting the infection, and immediately WHO came in action and it was declared pandemic. And now after that, COVID-19, today it is UVI 2012 stock 01 UK is a new mutated strain, and this has again created lot of panic and lot of fear about the new mutated strain. But we should not be panic. Better follow the government's specific or WHO guideline so that we can protect. But to my understanding very well, that it is efficient, 70% more infectious, but it is not 70% deadlier. And I believe and I hope and I pray that let 2021 is not only changing the calendar date, but let it change our attitude, our behavior, let it change our thinking, and let 2021 bring new opportunity, new possibility, and let there not be new strain, new mutation again, because this mutation can happen within month, within year, within 50 years, within 100 years. Nobody can guarantee, and I have told you that what are the factors responsible for this change in genetic sequencing, genetic material. So my good wishes, thank you very much for watching the lecture. So once again, thank you very much, and I thought this is my scientific obligation to share my experience so that people should not feel frightened. They should try to understand the meaning of mutation. And many people, they ask this question. I told them that mutation doesn't mean that it is only negative, it is only dangerous, it is only for virus and microorganisms. In every living organism, starting from bacteria, virus, amoeba, human being, animals, everywhere during cell division, mutation is going on and it will continue. So we should not be afraid of it, because nowadays mass media is very much advanced, print media is advanced, so there is within second, by touch of finger, the whole news goes globally. It is in small area of London. Some few thousand are infected with new mutation. Do your best to control there, rather than the whole world is in panic. I mean, we should not be in panic. We should follow our routine work, our economy, our livelihood, our job, and our survival is the most important. We should not submit to this new mutation. And let us allow these virus and all these mutations, let them commit suicide, let them be damaged by themselves, rather than we are committing suicide. We are committing suicide economically, we are committing suicide from social point of view, from all economic point of view. It is suicidal. So please be strong mentally. Take care of your immune system, and immune system means it is your lifestyle. Reduce your stress level, take your balanced diet. If I say balanced diet, means it should include vitamins, protein, carbohydrate, fat, that is good fat, and also maintain your pH level of your body. It should be alkaline. So go 80% for vegetable and fruit and 20% for other food. So like this you can maintain your immune system, and your immune system at moment is your best physician and doctor. Once again, thank you very much.